Hey guys, welcome back. Today, just a simple, small unboxing. Oh, it doesn't have it on there. From the Boxycharm add-on store. You know, the place where every Boxycharm video I do, I say, yeah, this is my last one. So, you know, just for continuity, this is my last one. But and let me just say this. When I was subscribed to Boxycharm, it took forever and a day to get my monthly boxes. And then it also used to take forever and 3 days to get anything that I purchased in the store when I had an active subscription. Now, it's like week and a half tops. So, anyway, I just want to throw that in there. It came, here's a little sneak peek, and these two sheets of paper in a very pretty big box. So, let's see what we got. I got this single shadow from Makeup Geek. It's in the shade Down to Earth. If I'm not mistaken, I have this shade, but y'all, Makeup Geek, rest in peace. We love you, Marlena. I love Makeup Geek shadows. I have hit pan. I even purchased a backup of my Makeup Geek and Manny MUA collab one. I know. But I like the shades. And I like the shade colors. So, anyway. So, I got a single of that shade. I got a ColourPop Luxe Velvet lipstick. I think it's lipstick. In the shade, yeah, I can't pronounce that. So, that's what it looks like. And we'll open it. Because this will be one that I'm keeping. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. I forgot I had ordered a lipstick or I wouldn't have worn any. We'll put it on over this. Let's see if it has the same thing as my... Yep. Oh, it's light. Oh. This is pretty. It's not on straight, and it's probably going to end up in my teeth, but I'll swatch it on my hand. That is very pretty. I love the consistency. It's very thin. Luxe Liquid Lipstick is what it's called. But I have one from, I don't have it up here, but that's what it looks like. It's almost like it's a brownie nude with a touch of a little bit of peach. That's what I see. Anyway, yes, super excited for this. I'm going to put that there. And then I got this palette right here. And this, I do believe I have this already. Let me double check. Yes, I already have this palette. I have it deep. Ofra. I love Ofra. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I have an amazing giveaway planned for that. It involves Ofra. But because I like Ofra. I don't have a code. I'm not affiliated. I don't know how much crap I am. But I have this palette already. And I took it out. And it's in one of my Z palettes. You guys have seen it. I've used these blushes before. As well as the eyeshadows. You know, it comes with their shadow protectors are hands down some of the best. I mean, this is plastic. Maybe you can see it's actually got lips on it, so it, not lips, edges on it, so it fits right over, you know, and these things pop out. So this I actually got for either friend mail or a giveaway. I'm not sure, but I was able, this was in that shop for a very, very good price. So I got it because I thought it would make for a great gift. And then I got, oh wow, the half-caked Best Friends Forever In Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set. I thought this was a blush. Oh, it is. It's a blush and a brush, if I'm not mistaken. And I have I just used it the other day, but I didn't use it on camera. This brand, Half Caked, I got a highlighter, a cream highlighter from them, and I really enjoy it. So let's take this out. Okay, this was not what I expected. I expected something very small. I sincerely, let me see if I have anything up here small that what I was anticipating. I don't. One of the sizes of those Ofra eyeshadows was really what I was expecting, because you got such a full-size brush, and this was hardly anything. But let's see. Let's open up this brush, because I am going to keep this brush. I don't have any of this brand's brushes, and I love a good stippling brush. So that's nice. We'll give that a quick spritz of brush cleaner. I do try to always spray my brushes. I usually use Cinema Secrets, which it's kind of pricey, but it lasts for a very long time. But then I remembered I had this one, and it came in a boxy box, or it came in a subscription box. I used to get Ipsy, but this is the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser, and I think I had this put up because I was thinking it was one of those where you spray and then you wash, and then I was like, I'm not going to do that because I can use my normal method. But no, this is one that you spray directly, and it works like Cinema Secrets. It's fast drying. So I usually try to take and clean my brushes before I use them, new brushes. And this is what the outside looks like, and this is the inside. And let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That's pigmented. Has a mirror, but that is the shade. And let's swatch it next to that lipstick. I'm seeing some possibilities here. So that's really nice. And then I got this Tres Luce. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I apologize. I am Alma Set. I do not have anything from this brand. I know that this is Becky G. I think, I don't know. I know this is a famous person's makeup brand, and I know they've been featured in Boxy before. And I think this is actually sold on Sephora or Ulta, if I'm not mistaken. I could be. Anyway, so I wanted something from this brand, and so this came with a shadow palette, and a pair of lashes. Okay. So let's open that up. Look at that pretty blue and yellow. I love that. Good stuff. These are pretty lashes. I'm not going to touch them anywhere. They're actually, oh, they are sealed in. So I can hold the thing up closer. They have a seal around both of them. So I'm not actually touching the lashes. I don't know if you can see them. It looks like what most people consider a thicker, maybe you can see a little bit better there, a thicker band. However, I don't wear lashes, so I may, you know, stick these in someone's friend mail or giveaway that I know does wear lashes. So they're going, actually, I'm going to stick these back in this box. Because I don't need to mess with them anymore. And then it came with a little palette that says, I am Alma. And that's what the outside looks like. It's pretty. Ooh. This is pretty. Look at those. I love that this can be a neutral. You know, you've got these brown tones. These are mattes. This is a shimmer. There's a shimmer and there's a shimmer. I mean, you can make it pretty neutral with this. You got a lot of different little color choices in this. These just 6 colors. So I'm excited to play with that. And the reason, wait a minute. I'm back. I was wrong. This palette, I thought I'd ordered it in the mystery kit because it came with this and something else, but I didn't. And I'd seen this palette on several of my friends' collections, and I wanted it so bad. And I've really grown to love this brand. And, oh my God. That's what this palette looks like. I mean, come on. Is this a Jennifer palette or is this not? This is. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my God, I cannot wait to play in this. This reminds me so much. I said I was going to make this a short video. But look at the similarities in some of these. And I'm not saying dupes by any means. I'm trying not to. But I'm seeing a lot of the warm similarities. That's the first thing I thought when I saw this palette. Anyway. Oh, wow. Man. That is... I still have not busted this baby out and played with it. I'm waiting to do it for a YouTube video. And I will do the same with this. Oh, look at this. That green. I was not a green wearer. I did not like green. It was one of those I didn't try, didn't gravitate toward because I was just like, I just don't think that's going to work. And Ash from Makeup and Chaos gifted me some Juvia's Place palettes because I'd never tried their formula. And which one's it called? The Nomad. Sorry, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is probably still wet when you got that good view of that. But, so, and there's greens in there, and I did an eye look, and I fell in love, and I use that palette a lot. Love that palette. You know, if we're going for quick out the door, and I get all right, you got 10 minutes, Jenny, and then we're leaving, I grab that palette. Love it. But that green, oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait to play. There's not a color in here that does not excite me. Yes. Okay. All right. I've lusted enough. My FOMO has now been done away with, abolished, because I got it. And so, y'all, that is it for this little old unboxing from my recent Boxy. Damn it, I still don't get pop-up, drop shop, whatever it's called. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Anyway, okay, guys, thank you for sticking around. I love you all. Be beautiful. Be kind. And let me know in the comments which palette you guys want to see me use first. Bye-bye. Hey, I wanted to pop in here. So, when I put you guys on hold, had to look on my phone to check about the mystery bundle thingy. Anyway, I said, you know what? I'm going to wipe my lips. And I wanted to try this on, and I ended the video before I got a chance. But also, you know, I had put I put the lipstick on my hand, and I had swatched that blush. I don't know if you can still see it, but the blush is still there. That's a pretty pigmented blush. I mean, yeah, there's still a little trace of this lipstick, but it kind of pretty much wiped off. But that blush didn't. And I'm like, I had makeup remover. You know, I just kind of put a little bit on a cotton round to get that off really quick. But anyway, so now I'll try this on camera. The original lipstick. Without it being on red. It almost has like a whipped consistency. It feels absolutely amazing on the lips. Amazing.